Welcome to this tutorial on using LEDs in cabinets. LEDs have become a very popular feature in cabinetry. In this video, you'll learn how to add LEDs, explore the available options, and understand the differences between the LEDs we supply. We use integrated LEDs, which means we cut a groove on the cabinet to recess the LED profile. We offer a variety of LED options for our designers. This video will show you examples and scenarios of how to use LEDs effectively. Let's take a look at our first example. Here we have an open box. Let's add some LEDs to it. Select the open box, and in the parameters list, you'll see three options: side LED, top LED, and bottom LED. These settings allow you to customize your LED placement. Let's enable the side LED and change it to both sides. When enabled, a new option called Side LEDs Distance to Back will appear in the parameters list. The default setting is in the middle, but there are three options: back, middle, and front. Let's change this parameter to the front. You'll see in the editor that the LED position changes, showing where the LED will be placed on your cabinet. You'll notice that the LED parameter list shows the distance of the LED from the back. This value is calculated from the back of the LED to the back of the panel or wall. For example, the top and side LEDs are measured from the back panel of the cabinet to the back of the LED, while the bottom LED is measured from the wall to the back of the LED. These values are displayed in the parameter settings for more accurate measurements. To check the distance ourselves in the system, let's go into the elevation mode to have a better angle to see the distance. To go into the elevation mode, hover over the 2D mode on the bottom toolbar. Then let's first select the floor view to help you get a better understanding of our orientation. Then select elevation and select the wall you would like to view. From there, change the display mode to transparent material, and you will be able to see the LED. Now use the measuring tool in the toolkit to measure from the back of the LED to the wall of the cabinet. And that is how you can check the measurement yourself with OT, using the parameter tool tip. Wall cabinet LED options are similar to those for open box LEDs. It's important to note that our bottom LED option only routes through the bottom panel and does not notch the side panels. If you want to achieve continuous LED lighting on the bottom of wall cabinets, you have two options. The contractor can notch the side panels on site to allow for the installation of continuous LED lighting. You can apply a horizontal panel that spans multiple wall cabinet bottoms. First, you need to add the recess to the cabinet here under wall bottom up. Then, you can apply your panel underneath the cabinets. And add LEDs to this horizontal panel. Once you have added your panel, don't forget to disable the LED option for the cabinets, since they will no longer be needed. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have a B2W base cabinet, which only has one LED option for the bottom LED. The base cabinet has two options for the bottom LED. The first option is the surface mount LED. It is a strip of LED that is screwed into the cabinet bottom without its own channel. This toe kick LED is easy to install and remove, allowing for easy service. We provide an aluminum channel and diffuser for the toe kick LED. This option is installed on site, but the clip holes are pre-drilled. This LED comes as full strips, so if other cabinets have the surface mount option, it will be applied as long strips. Here's an example of the LED with a surface bottom mount. Now, for the second option, it appears only if your cabinets do not have leg levelers. To remove leg levelers, go into the parameter list and select No Base under the toe kick option. Then add 10.5 inches to distance to floor, since this option is used for floating or vanity cabinets. Now, when we look at our bottom LED, a new option called Routed Recessed LED will appear. This LED has a channel cut into the bottom of the cabinet. Unlike the surface mount LED, this LED is not a continuous strip. Each cabinet with this option will have its own integrated LED strip. Here's an example of the recessed LED. Each LED has its own channel and is designed for floating cabinets. Next, let's look at tall cabinets. Tall cabinets are similar to the open box, with the same three LED options. The bottom LED doesn't have a recessed option when you remove the leg levelers. Also, the side LED and breaks at fixed middle shelf to allow service and ease of installation. The floating shelf is similar to the cabinet LEDs, except there is only one option for LED placement, the bottom of the shelf. When enabled, a new option will appear, allowing you to select front, middle, or back. Just like with our cabinets, the distance is calculated from the back of the LED to the wall. This distance will be visible under the LED options as calculated LED distance bottom. A quick note before we end the video. When the client needs extra parts for the LED like controls or extra LED strips, you can go into the individual items list and drag and drop them into the project. Then the extra product will be charged and shipped to them. In conclusion, this video has covered how to use LEDs in various scenarios. You learned how to change the placement of the LEDs and how to check the distance of the LED placement. And finally, how to use different types of LEDs. Thank you for watching.